only thing that matter. When they see you, them they call me shatter. See my girl, you they drive me mad. Rapunzel, make a grab a ladder. You give me life when I see your eyes. Your skin tight, hugging on your thighs. You be the bomb, girl, I'm glad you're mine. I wrote this song with you on my mind. So, girl, you got this thing that you do. When you do it, got me feeling like I'm a star. We don't watch nobody else, we don't need nobody. Classic.
Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Oluchi. If you don't already know that, that means you're new to my channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a member of the Oluchi Gang family, because we are growing, glowing. It is forever a movement, okay? So today's video, I have a 3-in-1 get ready with me. So I'm bringing you guys like a first date night quarantine inspired look. So you guys can look this pang going on your first dates, okay? Glam, lush. I'm showing you guys how I do my hair, and y'all gonna see the hair was so disrespectful. When I do my hair, my makeup, and then a little snippet of this outfit. I'll actually leave a link up in the cards to the haul that I did for this particular fit. You know what I'm saying? So you guys can watch that video after this video, and I will see you guys at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. We are going to be starting off with the hair. I'm going to be attempting to slay my wig today. I'm actually trying out the High Insta Hold Got to Be Glue spray. This is like different from the free spray apparently, and apparently it lays your frontals a lot better. This is my unit. I made her myself. When I finally learned how to actually lay my frontals like perfectly, I'll come to you guys with like a detailed tutorial, but you guys can just like kind of watch to see what I'm doing now. So next we're going to use this like Cara stick. It's pretty much like a styling wax. It pretty much just helps you like style and lay your units. Like it literally acts like a glue, and it just glues down your head. I love how no curl was held in the making of this video. So this hair doesn't really take on curls. At least it curls, but it doesn't keep the curls well. Maybe I could have done something else to help like keep the curls, but I'm in my house. So if it's gonna fall in my house, guess what? As soon as I walk out the door, humidity, it will fall. At the end, if I want to put more curls, I will, but I highly doubt. I'm not in the mood to be curling my hair up and down anymore. So let's pull our hair back, just so we can do our makeup. Okay, so we're going to move over to the face. So I'm going to be trying out this new style of makeup. I'm doing lots of new things in this video, but I can't remember. I'm going to leave the link to the lady that I actually watched down in the description box below. Apparently it's also less time consuming. So I'm going to go in with my Milani Conceal. This is probably my favorite foundation of life. I already started messing the damn thing up. But anyways, let's redo that again. So apparently you're supposed to like put all your highlight, your contour and everything, and then you put your foundations in the other areas. So I think I actually did put foundation anywhere I was supposed to not put it, so I think I'm okay. But let's do this. then you fill in whatever spots with like your foundation and then your contour shade and stuff. So then with the Uoma Beauty, and then, so this is where my contour usually goes. And then whatever else places is left, you put your foundation. So I'm actually gonna go in with like a little brush just to apply the foundation in the right spots. You're supposed to try to blend stuff out without touching the other part. I don't know how well I'm doing with that. I'm so into this foundation, it's not even funny. Let me make a smaller brush. Okay, there we go. This side I kind of have it better. I'm actually just sticking to the contoured areas. You're going to blend out your foundation. Good. I feel like the face looks good so far. A loose finishing powder before I actually use like a setting powder. I don't know, just kind of made my makeup look a lot better recently. I'll take some of my little brush. I'm just going to pat it in right under my eyes. Go into my Black Radiance palette, then we'll take the contour shade to define the nose a little bit. I'm going to go into the Sculpt color, and I'm just going to use that to set the contoured areas of my face. I'm going to take my finishing powder, and I'm just going to take my beauty blender, and we're going to press that to areas that were previously highlighted. I'm going with my e.l.f. and this is like a dewy setting spray. Usually I like to use like my Mario Badescu here, but I've run out, so I'm gonna have to buy some more. Be extra generous. We're going to attempt to switch up my lip look today. We're actually going to be using NYX lip liner pencil in the color Deep Purple, and then we're going to use Colored Rain liquid lipstick, and this is in Mars. So it's still a nude though. I don't know how I'm going to feel about this, y'all. This may not be a bad lip combo, but it just does not feel right. My eyes, I'm going to do the same thing I always do. I go into like my contour shade and I just swoop, like make a halo around my eyes. The thing you guys should know about me that you guys don't already know is that I love me some good blush, okay? And especially like some burnt looking blush. Ooh, my face looks so flawless. Wow. This is a new method we're going to be using. And my highlighter is from Vanos Cosmetics Studio Fix Plus, and just Okay guys, so this is how the look came together. I'm going to show you guys my outfit in a second, but I just had to pop in real quick and say, you know, I had to put on lip gloss, you guys. That matte lip was just not doing it, so I had to put on my favorite lip gloss, which is Aveva Nose Cosmetics Bubblegum. Okay, and so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something new. I will hopefully catch you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful, choose you, and God bless.
Official.